How to list your car on booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to list your car on booking.com. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, head over to the link for business account on booking.com. You can find it at business.booking.com. Once you are there, you need to click on register now. Now, you have the option to either log in or sign up. You can easily do this using your Google or Facebook account. Just click on the appropriate button and follow the prompts. Next, you will need to register your company, enter all the required information and make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. This step is crucial for your car to get listed. Once you have completed the registration, you can finally add or list your car in the booking.com interface. And that's it, you're all set to list your car on booking.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guide like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.